Did you know you can create videos, images, and animations using just text? Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Canva AI step by step. Canva AI is an all-in-one design tool that lets you create videos, images, and animations using simple text prompts. No design experience needed. Just type what you want, and Canva AI builds video scenes automatically, perfect for YouTube, Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. You can also generate AI images for thumbnails, backgrounds, and B-roll, right inside Canva. Canva AI helps you edit faster with auto captions, smart resizing, transitions, and music, perfect for beginners. This is one of the easiest ways to make viral short-form content without filming anything. Canva AI is perfect for creators, YouTubers, small businesses, and anyone who wants professional content, fast.
If you want more simple AI tutorials like this, subscribe to AI Basics Hub and stay ahead of the AI wave.